it is Elle, and guess what? I am vlogging. Yes, I am coming to you guys from my vehicle. Finally, I was able to install this, I don't know, I guess it's called like a camera holder or whatever. I featured this in one of my recent hauls. I purchased this from 5 and Below, and guys, this is the best $5 investment ever. So I wanted to pop on really quick and let you guys know that I am about to kill two birds with one stone. Well, let me stop. Okay. I am about to kill two birds with one stone. Okay, so what I was trying to say before my video was interrupted, that was a call coming in from my husband, was I am actually going to kill two birds with one stone. One, like I stated earlier, I am going to Salisbury, Maryland, which is about an hour and 45 minutes away from my home, and I'm going there to visit my niece. She's having a cookout today, so I'll get a chance to spend some time with her and her family, as well as some of my other family members who will be attending the cookout. And then I will have the opportunity to stop at Hobby Lobby. Listen, there are no Hobby Lobbies in the state of Delaware, period. We don't have Hobby Lobbies, and we don't have the at-home store. Those are the two stores that we do not have. We do have Tuesday morning, but I don't get to Tuesday morning that often. But Hobby Lobby, the only ones that are available in my surrounding area is the one in Maryland, and there's also a Hobby Lobby in New Jersey. And the Hobby Lobby that's in New Jersey is in Cherry Hill, so that's about 2 hours away from me. And I tend to go to this one in Salisbury, Maryland, because whenever I do come, I'm generally going there to visit my niece. So like I said, I kill two birds with one stone. So I am super, super excited about that. And of course, as always, I am late. I'm running late to the cookout. It is almost 4 o'clock, and I was supposed to be there at 3. So I have about another 45 minutes before I get to the cookout. And I'm just excited. I'm excited to be vlogging. I'm excited to see my family, and I'm very excited to get a chance to go to Hobby Lobby. So guys, because I am new to this, I am going to, and now it's starting to rain, so I will go ahead and stop this here, and I will come back when I get at Hobby Lobby. Oh yes, I have to go because, uh-oh, I can hardly see. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but let me focus on this road. Alright, see you in a little bit. So as you guys can see, it is now 9 o'clock at night. I am on my way back to Delaware from the cookout. I had an amazing time, but I was not able to kill the two birds with one stone because when I pulled up to Hobby Lobby, it was 5:30 and they closed at 5 o'clock. So I was very disappointed in myself for running late. I wasn't able to take a trip into Hobby Lobby, but there will always be a next time. Okay guys, so I am home. I made it in, and I'm exhausted. I had an amazing time with my family. I was able to see so many people. The food was absolutely delicious, and the desserts were outstanding. So, yeah, I am just a little disappointed that I missed Hobby Lobby, but it's okay. As I stated earlier, there will always be another time for me to make it to Hobby Lobby. But yeah guys, I'm exhausted, I'm tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.